Hello and welcome, and this video I'll show you how to add interactive widgets to your home screen on your iPhone 16e. So all you have to do to add them is to just go to your home screen, and here hold your finger on your home screen, press edit, press add widget, and now you just have to find one that is interactive or not. I believe this one will be interactive, so let's just choose this. Okay, done. And I believe, yes, as you can see, you can do whatever you want, add whatever you want. So if you enjoyed this video and considered it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.